Introduction to CreditSaint membership plans. CreditSaint is a credit repair company that offers various membership plans to help individuals improve their credit scores. In this tutorial, we will compare CreditSaint membership plans with alternatives to help you make an informed decision. Understanding CreditSaint membership plans. CreditSaint offers 3 membership plans, namely Credit Polish, Credit Remodel, and Credit Premier. Credit Polish is the basic plan that includes credit monitoring and credit repair services. Credit Remodel is the mid-tier plan that adds features such as credit score tracking and identity theft protection. Credit Premier is the premium plan that includes all the features of the lower-tier plans plus additional services such as credit building and financial counseling. Alternatives to CreditSaint membership plans. There are several alternatives to CreditSaint membership plans, including DIY credit repair, credit counseling agencies, and other credit repair companies. DIY credit repair involves repairing your credit on your own by disputing errors on your credit report and paying your bills on time. Credit counseling agencies are non-profit organizations that provide free or low-cost credit counseling and education. Other credit repair companies such as Lexington Law and Sky Blue Credit offer similar services to CreditSaint. Comparison of CreditSaint membership plans with alternatives. When comparing CreditSaint membership plans with alternatives, consider the cost and services offered. CreditSaint membership plans range from $79 to $119 per month depending on the plan. DIY credit repair is free but requires time and effort. Credit counseling agencies are free or low cost but may not offer all the services provided by CreditSaint. Other credit repair companies may offer similar services to CreditSaint but at a higher cost. Best practices for choosing a credit repair service. When choosing a credit repair service, consider the following best practices. Research the company and read reviews from other customers. Check the services offered and the cost. Look for a company that is transparent about its methods and fees. Consider a company that offers a money-back guarantee. Conclusion. In conclusion, CreditSaint membership plans offer a range of services to help individuals improve their credit scores. However, it is essential to compare these plans with alternatives to make an informed decision. By considering the cost and services offered and following best practices, you can choose the best credit repair service for your needs. Remember to research the company and read reviews from other customers to ensure you are getting the best value for your money.